Hey guys, it's Sonia. In today's video, we're going to do a super quick and easy look using two brand new HOLO glitters from our Bottoms Up collection. I started with one coat of Girls Night Out, which is a really cute baby pink. Next, it's time for liquid latex, so I applied precision peel on either side of my nail. To create the gradient, I applied Girls Night Out to the top half of my nail, and I followed up with Strawberry Daiquiri right on the tips. And I am going to do some sponging once this is dry just to combine those colors and make sure they blend really nicely, but I didn't want to do too much sponging because the sponge tends to absorb all of that tinted base, so doing it this way keeps it super vibrant. This next part is kind of fun. All of you who have ordered from us before know that our packages come with this great foam insert to keep your polishes safe. And that foam insert can actually also be reused to do gradients. You can use it like any other makeup sponge. It already comes in your package anyway, and you're also recycling. Then I applied both colors onto our little DIY sponge, and because it's more porous, it actually absorbed less of that tinted base. So for those of you at home that want to try this out, I definitely recommend it. I was surprised at how well this works, and best of all, it's free. After some super easy cleanup thanks to precision peel, you're ready for top coat, and I did 2 thin coats to get this perfectly smooth. And you can do this with any of our recent launches, guys. Any of those glitter hollows in the tinted base, they look amazing together. Our staff has been going crazy creating different combos, so let us know in the comments what colors you would combine, and until next time, we'll see you soon.